So boom, that's what happened. First thing you're gonna do is gather these materials. Once I was done cutting out all these hearts, I took my tool heart and I'm gonna flatline it to the canvas layer, and that's just a straight stitch on the widest stitch length possible, just to make sure those layers are gonna now work as one. Because the tool layer is not strong enough to work as a functional bag, I need the canvas to do the heavy lifting. And you're gonna want to flatline the front of the bag, the back of the bag, and both sides of the strap, and this is gonna be your outer side. Once I was done preparing all my fabrics, I made a 1-inch marking around the entire outline of the bag, and that is going to be where I pin the straps to the bag. And this is very important. You want to make sure you do the correct amount of spacing, and you want to space it out evenly, so make sure you make these markings. And you're not going to pin around the entire perimeter. You're only going to want to pin about 3/4 of the way around and leave the middle open so you can actually stick your hand in and get things inside. You know, it is a bag. And then once you're done pinning, you're going to just do a straight stitch around the entire perimeter that you just pinned. And don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and end of your stitches so your stitching does not come out. And just like magic, I've attached both sides of the bags to the straps, and I also did the entire lining off camera. Then you're going to take the outer layer and place it inside the lining, and you want these to be right sides together. And you're only going to pin around the opening of the bag. That is the only place that needs to be sewn together. And then you're just going to do a straight stitch around that perimeter. And once you're done, you're going to flip it right side out and put the inner lining inside the bag. And at this point, the bag is pretty much done. You just have to prepare the straps. And for that, you're going to fold in the raw edges on both sides of the strap and pin them together. And then do a top stitch around the entire strap. And do a top stitch around the opening of the bag, just so it's nice and clean and crisp. And with that, you're done. And you guys, if you like it, don't forget to hit that like button. If you love it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, just so I know what's going on, because I'm nosy and I want to know what's up. So what's up? Pretty please, with sugar and spice and everything nice.